In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Go High Level to Zapier in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. We start by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you've got that open, simply type Zapier into the search bar and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Zapier website. Once you're there, go ahead and open Zapier and kick off a new Zap. This is essentially where the magic starts as you automate your workflow. Next, you'll need to decide on your trigger app. For this example, let's say you choose Google Forms, which is a handy tool you might already be familiar with. After you've picked Google Forms as your trigger app, you'll need to specify the trigger event. A common choice is New Form Submission, which will let Zapier know to start the automation whenever there's a new entry in your form. Now for the action step, you're going to select Lead Connector. This is actually Go High Level's official app within Zapier, so it's perfectly designed to facilitate this connection. After selecting Lead Connector, you'll have to choose an event. A practical option here is Add Update Contact, which ensures that new or updated information flows seamlessly into Go High Level. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in, which brings us to our next step. Now it's time to log into your Go High Level account. You'll need your CRM email and password for this, so make sure you have those credentials ready. Once you're successfully logged in, Zapier will ask you to select the specific Go High Level sub-account you want to connect to. You can usually find this in a drop-down menu, which should list all your available sub-accounts. To complete the connection, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions. These can vary, but often they involve naming the sub-account within Zapier, helping you keep your connections organized and easy to manage. Remember, it's about making your workflow as smooth and efficient as possible. With the basic connection in place, now it's time to map data fields. Essentially, you're linking specific pieces of data from your trigger app to their corresponding destinations in Go High Level. For example, you'd want to ensure that a name field in Google Forms accurately maps to a name field in Go High Level. Finally, it's the moment of truth, testing and activating your Zap. You want to make sure everything works perfectly before relying on this automation. Run a test to verify that data flows correctly between Zapier and Go High Level. If all goes smoothly, activate the Zap, and there you go. Your workflow has been automated, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Go High Level to Zapier, opening up a world of streamlined processes and efficient automation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on enhancing your productivity.